From gathering to growing food. Varieties of food. Today, food such as fruits, vegetables, meat, etc. come from plants that are grown and animals that are reared under different environments as required by them. Crops like rice require more water than wheat, and animals like sheep, goat survive more easily in hilly areas than cattle. The beginning of farming and herding. Men, women, and children observed things such as places where plants were found, their reproduction cycle from seeds, and began protecting them from animals and birds, consequently becoming farmers. Men, women, and children also learned to tame animals by providing them with food and shelter, and developing closeness with animals that were gentle, and by protecting animals such as goat, sheep, cattle, people turned into herders. The first animal to be tamed was wild ancestor of dog. Domestication. Domestication is the name of the process in which people grow plants and look after animals. Often plants and animals that are tended by people become different from their wild counterparts because people choose certain animals and plants that are not prone to disease and have better quality output. Because of difference in upbringing, gentle animals that are selected for breeding are different from wild animals. The horns and teeth of wild animals are much larger when compared with domesticated animals. Domestication was a process that began 12,000 years ago with wheat, barley, and sheep, goat being the earliest domesticated plants and animals respectively. A new way of life. Seeds that were sown took a long time to grow in days, weeks, months, and years, which made it necessary for the people to stay at the same place taking care and protecting the crop from animals, birds, etc. till the grain ripened. These people made clay pots and woven baskets to store the grain. Storing animals. Animals that are reared multiply naturally and provide milk and meat as food. These animals are thus used as a store of food. Finding about the first farmers and herders. Evidence of early farmers and herders is found in northwest, present-day Kashmir, east and south India by the archaeologists. Scientists study the remains of plants, animal bones, and remains of burnt grain to find out sites of settlement of farmers and herders. Scientists can identify these grains and bones and find where all in the subcontinent these crops were grown and animals reared. The table here shows where evidence of grain and bones of domesticated animals have been found.